What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XRP because from my last analysis we did here another perfect pump, and right now we are forming here another interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, or if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you like my analysis and you want to know about all the trades and about all the potential setups that I'm currently watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I am sharing this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Right now we are forming here this triangle, which is a bullish setup, but actually I'm watching here two possible ways how you can trade it. You can see that we already did here a fake out above this resistance, so if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, the support confirmation here is extremely important, because with the support confirmation you can avoid fake outs pretty easily. I'm not saying that you are not gonna get a fake out, but if you will wait for a support confirmation, the probability here is much lower, and as a traders we are always counting with certain probabilities. Stop loss in this case you want to place somewhere back to this triangle, because if there will be breakdown again with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, and you also want to place it like above these bullish order blocks, because this is like next important support, and you simply don't want to place it under these bullish order blocks, because then the risk reward ratio is not gonna be great. Your last take profit target in this case you can feel free to place, in my opinion, under $2 mark, which will be the next important target. This trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 28. So if this is a lot for you because the stop loss here is really let's say small, you can like place it under these bullish order blocks, but then your risk reward ratio is gonna be like only 9. Also don't forget that this is not gonna be your final risk reward, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits you want to take like under these current highs, then for example under this high, then definitely under like 1.5, 1.6, 7, and then for example 1.8, and then you want to save some back to elastic profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 28, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 20, 21, something like that, which is in my opinion really amazing trading setup. Also don't forget that this setup is really risky, so definitely for a small stop loss like this, do not risk more than like 0.5% or like 1% of your trading capital. Another potential trade that you can take here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under these two bullish order blocks, which are between levels 1.09 and 1.031. And if we are gonna take a liquidity under and there will be a support confirmation after that, you can open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look for example like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, or perhaps under this previous low. This will be really safe stop loss, and your last take profit target again you can place it under $2 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. And also in this area on the 4-hour chart or like on the 1-hour chart we have zero liquidity. On a daily time frame I know we are having here some liquidity, but still the volatility can be really huge. So your last take profit target, as I said, slightly under $2 mark, which will give you in this case risk reward ratio 15, which is slightly worse, but in my opinion this trade is better because the potential stop loss here is much safer. So if this condition will be met, I will be definitely opening here a long trade. And if you want to copy my exact trade, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The only issue with opening a long position on the current levels is this bearish order block on a daily time frame. You can see that we are under this area for about 1100 days, which is absolutely crazy. I already showed you this resistance area in my previous XRP analysis, but the main problem is that historically in this area we don't have any liquidity, and we already tested this area once. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, you can use it as a potential long entry. So you can trade here, for example, something like this, which will give you, if you will use again the $2 mark as your main take profit target, risk reward ratio around 7.67, but like this is not that great, because if you will take here like multiple take profit targets, then the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 5, 4, something like that, which is much worse. And as I said, this area is not that important because we already tested this once. So if you want to open here some trading positions that I showed you on this lower time frame, I think that you can feel free to do it, because the potential risk reward ratio is definitely worth of taking that risk. Another important chart that you need to watch is this weekly time frame. Here we have quite similar resistance area like this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.35 and 1.117. Again, historically, we already tested this once, so in this area we don't have any liquidity, so we can't actually know how the price will react now. So if you want, again, the setups that I showed you on the 1 hour chart are really good, and you don't want to miss out on this move just because we have here like some important resistance area, but we already tested it once. So yeah guys, these are all the main setups that I'm already watching here. In my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability that we are gonna break this high that we are having here. Is like 1.96, but I know that the actual like all-time high on the XRP is, I think, around like $3 mark, something like that, which I think is definitely possible that we are gonna achieve in the current bull market. So yeah guys, if you want to know about all the interesting altcoins that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. And also I will be really happy if you will tell me in the comments what is your main take profit target for XRP in this current bull market. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.